So whenever you're starting a new project, it's really, really good to have a template as a video producer, as a motion designer. But this template is not just like the template of the actual project file. If you're working in Premiere, like that kind of template, or in After Effects, that kind of template. I'm talking about the entire folder structure, because the way that we organize files is integral to the way that we organize a project and the way that we work. So if this doesn't make sense, let me just dive into this for you. So I'm always using this folder here. I'm like always duplicating it to create a new project, because this folder itself, new AE project, is structured in exactly the way that I always deliver projects, and the other people on my team also have this same structure. And that way we can always open up each other's projects, and we know what these folders are, we know the latest deliverables are in here, assets are structured like this, we've got placeholders, existing things we use in every project, project files, stuff related to the motion library. So this is the main structure of all of our projects whenever they get archived. And also when you open the After Effects project as well, you get this, which is like the structure of the After Effects project that we want, so that everyone kind of like follows the same kind of guidelines. We have versioning here, which is just a 4K comp ready to go. You have an empty folder for all of your pre-comps, and they'll always go in there. You have the motion library here, which has all of the motion library for Glide. And you also have some other stuff like to do with framing, like, you know, I've got this tutorial framing thing here where, oh, it loaded. Basically you drop in like your final 16:9 thing here, and then you get a higher level comp, which is, you know, allows you to sort of move that around much like you would in kind of these more mainstream, easier tools like Screen Studio and stuff like that. But obviously in After Effects, you get way more control. So anyway, you get the deal with this. That's not necessarily what I want to talk about. The main message there is like, you should definitely be doing this, because I remember for years when I didn't do this, and it's just such a waste of time. Like, I don't know why I didn't think about this, but I remember being like, oh, I'm just going to create a new folder, boop. Oh yeah, I'm going to create the assets folder, boop. I'm going to create the deliverables folder. I think I did that for like 2 years or something like that. But the coolest thing that I've done recently is I've written an Apple script with my friend Mr. GPT, which allows me to do this. So you saw the folder here, new AE project is there, right? And you'll have your template folder somewhere on your hard drive, who knows where, right? But often you're not there. So you're in a new folder directory and you're like, oh, I want to start a project here. And you have to go all the way back to that place. You have to copy it, come over here, paste it or whatever. But this is a simple thing, but it's just like day to day. This is like the nicest way to start a project. I just go new AE project and it creates it here. And I say app interaction workflows, and it renames it. That folder's there. And if I go into the project files, even that is done. So I open this up. Let's open After Effects, and I'm ready to go with my app interaction project. So yeah, this is a really cool script. I'll put it up on jackvaughan.com/tools. And if you have any questions about this, or you want any advice about your workflows, please let me know. I'd be happy to chat. Cheers.